beep. No beep. No beep. I'm now checking the compressor number 2. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll check the ground. Change it to beep. Right, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. The compressor's all fine. Okay, that's compressor 1, 7 amps, so it's running. 7.8. 7.8. And that's the faulty one. And that's not running. Okay, so I've spoken to the client, and what I'm going to do is I'm gonna run this unit in emergency mode. That means that out of the 2 compressors, we're gonna run it on a single compressor, so it is one system, these 2 units. So we're gonna run 3 compressors, and we'll bypass the 4th one, that's the faulty one. All right, so I'm gonna do the settings for that. The clients agreed to do it. So to do the bypass, the SW06 switch here, that switch number 2, because our faulty compressor is number 2, so not the compressor, the inverter board is 2. We're gonna put this one on, and all others are off, and that will put the unit in emergency mode and bypass the compressor number 2.